Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website link available in description. This website have advertisement website and affiliate website. You can do all this too. You can choose your cryptocurrency, which cryptocurrency you want to earn from here. Just click that cryptocurrency and put the link of that cryptocurrency in here. I want to left Bitcoin. I put my Bitcoin wallet address from faucetpay and just click login. After clicking login, first of all solve this captcha. There's a bridge available. Click the bridge and verify captcha. And you can see this is a website. This website have four type of earning way. The first way, active windows. You can click active windows, solve a captcha, go in active windows, watch active windows. You can see no active windows available right now. Okay, the next way is view advertisement. In here you can earn 3 coin or 10-second watching. You can watch or you can skip it. It's not too hard. You can just wait and see it and tell you watch it or not. You show your coin and click the exit and solve the captcha. Okay, it's about available in the description, and that's it. You earn your 3 coin. This another way. It's a 4 coin. You can watch it this website or you can escape it. This website is not active window website. Do you watch it? This tell you in background one sound, have a one sound. Just solve this captcha. It's a conference room. Okay, verified, and you can watch it again. And now it's too long, it's 10 seconds. Okay, and this will be finished. I'll show you another way that you can earn. You just click close. Okay, and airplane, that's it. And okay, I didn't want to earn anymore. You just click login. In here you can see I have this much coin. For withdrawal you need 2,200 coin. The next way is a faucet. You can just click claim, show you a short link. Okay, show you short links to complete the faucet in this website and complete the short link. I come back. Okay, I come back again. Okay, the next way is the offer wall. You can complete this 3 offer is available. You can complete it, and that's it guys. That's it. You can easily make your amount, and if you reach in the 200 coin, you can withdraw your amount to Bitcoin to your wallet. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.